How to download Fortnite on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to download Fortnite on Android. So as most of you guys know that it's not available for free on Play Store. Whenever you search in for Fortnite on your Play Store just like this, you will still see no result. You should see no result for this game. So in that case, what you want to do is first, before we proceed on with our browser, first just head over to your settings of your device, and once inside here, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option called apps. So simply select it and just locate the Chrome application from over here. So I'll simply locate it and just tap on this, and once you tap on this, scroll all the way down until you see the option called install unknown apps. So always make sure that you have allowed this permission so that you can download from third-party website as well. So now just head over to your Google Chrome browser and just search in for Epic Games. So it is the official game store for all of your games. So once you're inside your Epic Games website, now simply tap on this logo of your Epic Games icon, and here you should see the Fortnite game which is available for direct play. So just tap on this just like this, and you can see there is an install button. Just tap on this once again, and you should see the download now button over here. So simply I will just tap on the install button once again and download now button once again, and it will be automatically downloaded on your Android device. Now simply tap on this open button and simply install the application from over here. And once you install your application, you should be easily able to launch your application if you have an account in Epic Games already. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.